You will find privacy and beautiful scenery in a lovely, open floor plan with this raised ranch. Located on 7.9 acres ml, this property also has a 30 by 30 pond in the front to add to the beautiful scenic views. Originally constructed in 2002, this seller had an addition and roof added in 2017. He also added a beautiful wrap porch with stone and black wrought iron. The siding is composite and very durable. The home features 2,600 finished square feet with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. The finished basement is beautifully done that also includes a great room for entertaining with a fireplace. The hardwood upstairs is stunning, and so is the kitchen that includes a wonderful island, tiled counters and all-white appliances with the open floor concept leading into the living space. The master suite is large and has a huge walk-in closet and wonderfully appointed master bath. There is plenty of room to enjoy in this raised ranch. Call today. Average